Hello and good morning. Today, let us look at the Pisces native's fifth bhava, Dashabhuktis, or what was his Dashabhukti during his period of education and children. The Venus will be the Mahadasha for this native because Moon is in 20 degrees 17 minutes in Aries, which is the Bharani Nakshatra, and it is in the third pada. Therefore, the Dasha Bhukti will be that of Venus for 9 years and 6 months. The Venus Mahadasha would be a comfortable dasha for the native, as the Venus is exalted and is in the Lagna, associated with the fourth house Lord Mercury. Therefore, the parents or mother will look after the child, aspected by Jupiter, who is a natural benefic. So the native has two natural benefics in the Lagna, and the dasha of Venus will be very smooth without the native having lot of difficulties. Now let us look at the dasha of education or the primary school education, which will start around the 5th year. The dasha bhukti from 1995 to 1998 would be Venus dasha, Saturn bhukti. The native will definitely enjoy a good period because it is an exalted Venus dasha. The Antra bhukti is Saturn. Saturn is placed in the 12th house. Saturn is posted in the 12th house. Therefore, we feel that this dasha might give them a change. Naturally, Saturn will always give change, especially when posted in the 12th house from the Lagna as well as from the Dashanata. Now, if you look at the Venus Dasha and Saturn Bhukti, Saturn is aspecting Moon. First thought process, Saturn is aspecting Moon. Moon is the fifth house Lord, and Jupiter is also aspecting the Moon by the Vakratva of Jupiter. Therefore, in the Saturn Dasha, the native could have joined school. But it is in Mercury Bhukti, that is Venus Dasha, Mercury Bhukti, the native would have got the decent school or the school which their parents, the child's parents wanted, because Mercury is associated with the fourth Lord, is associated in the Lagna with the third and the eighth Lord Venus, is aspected by Jupiter and aspected by Rahu. Maybe because Rahu aspected the Dashanata and the Bhuktinata, the native might have changed his school to another school in the period of Venus Dasha Mercury Bhukti. Now Venus Dasha Mercury Bhukti, Venus Dasha Ketu Bhukti is the end of the Dasha, and the child would be in second grade or probably in the third grade when the native completed his 9 years and 6 months and the Sun Dasha started. The Sun Dasha is a Dasha for 6 years. The Sun is from 2002 November to 2007 November. The Sun is a 6th house Lord posted in the 2nd house and is associated with the 5th Lord Moon. Again, the same combination is getting repeated. That is, the Saturn is aspecting the Moon, Jupiter is aspecting the Moon by the Vakratva. Except that the Dashanata Sun is associated with the Moon, who is the 5th house Lord Dasha. We do not see much influence of the 4th house. We need, for early education, we need the 4th house involvement to a large extent to do well in school. Right now, this 6 years would have taken the native to the 8th or the 9th standard when the Moon Dasha began. So you see, in the beginning itself, the native has not enjoyed a steady Dasha. Neither the Dashas are in sequence. They are like Sun Dasha. He got the Sun Dasha, he is getting the Moon Dasha, but both Sun and Moon are associated in the what you call it, second house, Kutumbasthana, which shows a lot of pampering by the parents also, and which may also show a kind of a lackadaisiness on the native to really work in the during the schooling period. Now he would be in 8th standard when the moon dasha comes in. Again we having the same combination of sun, moon, Saturn and Jupiter. There is no change in this. Moon Dasha, Moon Bhukti would be okay period. It's only a 10 months period. Moon Dasha, Mars Bhukti would be the time where the native would have written his SSC examination. Now this is a change in the native because there is a Parivartana Yoga between the Moon Dasha and Moon Dasha and the Mars Bhukti. There will be a Parivartana Yoga. So there may be a small push to the native to do better in school and come out with at least decent marks in during the SSC period. Now, Moon Dasha, Mars Bhukti, again it is a short period of about 7 months. So the next will be Moon Dasha, Rahu Bhukti. Rahu is associated, is as not aspecting the fourth lord, is aspecting the fourth lord Mercury. But now I need the 5th house influence. The Moon Dasha is the 5th lord Dasha. He is again posted in the 2nd with the 6th lord Sun, aspected by Vakra, Jupiter and Saturn. Okay, so this combination continues to be the primary combination for the Moon Mahadasha. The antras of Moon, Mercury, Moon Mahadasha, Moon Bhukti, probably he would be in 9th, and Moon Mahadasha, Mars Bhukti, he would have gone to the 10th, and Moon Dasha, Rahu and Jupiter might have completed his education, but in a very average form and in an average level. Definitely the native would do commerce or accountancy because all the planets are influencing the 2nd house of finance. Okay. Now comes the Dasha of Saturn. Moon Dasha, Saturn Bhukti. Moon Dasha, Saturn Bhukti begins in 2nd February 2013 to 9 2014. So Saturn would give about 19 months of his Dasha. Now the Saturn Dasha would be definitely a changing point because Saturn is placed in the 11th house from the Dashanatha. He is the 10th lord from the Dashanatha. He aspects Sun, who is the 6th lord from the Lagna. He aspects Leo, which is the 6th house from the Lagna. Therefore, in the Moon Dasha, Saturn Bhukti, the native could have taken up a reasonably decent job. Right. Now again this is a short period and the next Dasha will be Moon Dasha, Mercury Bhukti. Now Mercury will again give a native a change because Mercury happens to be in the 12th house from the Dashanatha. Happens to be in the 12th house from the Dashanatha. Remember, Moon is in the 2nd house of Aries. Lagna is Pisces. Mercury is posted in Pisces, which becomes the 12th house from the Dashanatha. Now, again, there is a small change here in a sense that Jupiter will not only aspect Moon but also will aspect Mercury. The other change is Rahu will aspect Mercury and Venus. Here this becomes a very big change vis-a-vis that the Mercury gets inclined to go back to education, or the native gets an inclination to go back to education. But being posted in the 12th house of the Dashanatha, Dashanatha being Moon, Moon is a Chanchala planet. Moon is a planet of travel. 12th house Pisces is another planet, another Rashi of travel. 12th house is going outside the motherland. The Mercury is associated, conjoined with Venus. Venus happens to be the 8th lord of change. Rahu happens to is posted in the 9th. Therefore, we generally tell there is a foreign travel in the Rahu Dasha, whether Rahu is posted or not posted, or Rahu aspecting Dasha. Therefore, we can come to this conclusion that the native in Moon Dasha, Mercury Bhukti would have thought about or will go abroad, not think, will go abroad to further his education or do some courses abroad. Now, you have to also remember the Moon Mercury period is a small period. It is not a big period. Mercury is 16 years, Moon is 10 years, so the Bhukti period will be only 16 years, just 16 months. So by the time the native goes abroad, settles down and picks up his course, before even he can put his, get a grip on his subject, the Dasha will change and I will get the Ketu Dasha. Now, again, there is a problem. Ketu is posted in the 3rd house from the Lagna, 2nd house from the moon. The dispositor of Ketu is Venus, which is in the 12th. Yes, the native continues to remain abroad, one point. And the second point is, because Ketu is not generally favorable for material gains, the native would not have been able to succeed in the course and may have to repeat the course. Now, after Ketu, I get Venus. Venus is again placed in the 12th house, having the same aspects. So, the native continues to remain abroad, but will keep changing the course because the 8th house pattern, that is Venus being the 8th lord, follows the same pattern, right? Now that is Venus. Then I have a small stint of 6 months stint of Sun, Moon Dasha Sun Bhukti. Again, Sun is aspected by Saturn. Sun is the 6th lord. Saturn is aspecting the 6th house. Therefore, there will definitely be a possibility that the native can take up a job, right? Take up a job. So the entire Moon Dasha was a flip-flop for the native. Sometimes he is studying, sometimes he is working. But in the entire period of 10 years of Moon Dasha, this native will do odd jobs to earn money, because the thought process here is second house. Second house is flow of money. Therefore, the native will have a flow of money, but it will be odd jobs and not a real career orientation, or not really a growth. That is Moon Dasha. Now let us look at Mars Dasha. Mars Dasha is the Nicha Dasha from the Lagna, and Nicha Bhanga Raja Yoga Dasha from the Chandra, and an exchange of house in the Chandra. The native will continue to remain abroad. The native will continue to study because it influences the 5th house. Now, Mars Dasha does not have any positive influences on him, except for the exchange between the Mars and the Moon, which will be activated very in the end of Mars Dasha and not in the beginning of the Mars Dasha. The native will continue to struggle with one course or the other without getting into a proper job or a proper career orientation. Now, I hope this has helped you to understand how the Dasha and Bhukti can make a major change in one's life, can show the kind of dejection the native might go because of the Dasha Bhuktis not in a smooth order. Okay, not in a smooth way where the native can pick up from one place to another place with a positivity. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like my video. Do share, subscribe and follow me. Signing off, Gayatri. Have a pleasant day. Bye bye.